Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about how to go global with Alibaba.com. Buy China products online. Alibaba.com. Expand your sales into global markets. Alibaba Sellers Central. How to buy and source from Alibaba.com. How to buy and source from Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is a major player in the B2B e-commerce space. Buyers and suppliers around the world have used this platform to expand and scale their business. What makes Alibaba.com so powerful? It is offering of a wide range of features, tools, and services that are designed to streamline the B2B sourcing experience. In this post we will discuss everything you need to know about buying and sourcing from Alibaba.com. We will start you by reviewing what Alibaba.com is and how it compares AliExpress and Amazon. From there we will discuss who uses Alibaba.com and why they choose this platform over other B2B marketplace. We will cover in detail how to buy from Alibaba.com, how to practice safe buying and tips to get most out of your sourcing experience. What is Alibaba.com? Alibaba.com is an online B2B marketplace where buyers and sellers from around the world can connect and carry out transactions. It is a secure, trusted platform that is used by millions and millions of businesses. Alibaba.com is part of Alibaba Group and was founded in 1999. This company is based in China but serves business in 190 plus countries and regions and 40 plus industries with over 500,900 different categories of products offering. You can see the website look of Alibaba.com. Alibaba versus AliExpress. You can compare Alibaba versus Amazon. Who uses Alibaba? Alibaba. As we mentioned, Alibaba.com is a B2B platform. This means the most not buyers and sellers of Alibaba.com are businesses. What are Alibaba.com and GGS? Why buy from Alibaba.com? The platform is trustworthy. It's easy to use. Hope you understand. Like our video, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon button. You never miss any updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.